you 4, and there's a huge old note. 12-8 tracks. Replace 2.
We are here at the Historic Murchison Building in Wilmington, North Carolina. Whoops. Trying to shot fast. To 10. We're going up to the top, or?
Yeah.
Okay. Fuck. Installed in 1973. There's a manual elevator here. Just went downstairs. Yeah, look at this. I got a Lexan. See, this used to be a Lexan. That is so cool. Here's the top floor. This is the Historic Murchison Building. And there's a manual Westy there. I'm guessing the GAL one call button calls the manual. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, too bad it got modded on the inside. This may take a while. I shouldn't have let it go down. It's coming. And on to, or M. This is the second floor, or M. See, look at this. There it goes. Let's see if we can get the manual. This is the manual elevator, and this is the automated one. But yeah, this one used to be a Lexan. They stole the call buttons, and it's obviously has its original controller. They just replaced the buttons on the inside at a later date. Please tell me you're gonna come. Here it is. There's the manual one. I'm just interested in elevators, and I know this is an old manual elevator. Am I able to take a ride up and back down?
Let me go ask my supervisor. I'll come right back.
Am I able to at least take a look at it real quick? Like,
Let me go ask her real fast.
okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, that's a 1937 Westy right there. Yeah, I gotta wait for her to come back. But while we wait, look at this beautiful staircase. Very beautiful historic building. Mezzanine. I hear it coming. Actually, I don't know if it's this one. Hear it.
Hello?
Hello?
Okay, she said she'll be down to talk to you. Or if you want to wait up on the second floor, you can.
I just wait on the second floor?
Yeah, she's the leasing manager.
All right.
Okay. I had to run this elevator right now at lunchtime. And she can let you know when you can do it or not. So I'll be back.
So wait, so what are you doing?
See, her office right there. She the leasing manager. She'll just tell you.
Okay. I mean, just, that is so cool. Oh.
Okay.
All right, so I'll just talk with her.
Yeah.
Okay.
She'll let you know what you can do.
So which is her office?
The one that's open.
Okay. All right, thanks.
I'll let her know that you're open.
Okay. The one that's open, you said?
Yeah.
Okay.
She runs the building. There she goes.
All right, now we're gonna get a quick ride down on this antique, I think this is a Westinghouse elevator, according to records.
No idea.
So look at your crank. That is so cool. Well, thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry about that.
Oh, it's fine. Well, there it goes. And that's gonna be it.